Welcome to the top 5 new features in the September update for Autodesk Fusion. From design to electronics to manufacturing to simulation, these updates are all about giving you more power, flexibility, and speed inside of Fusion. Let's dive into our favorites. Fusion Electronics now supports up to 64 routable layers, making it easier than ever to design high-density boards with high pin count components such as ball grid arrays. This update improves layer organization with a new comprehensive numbering system while maintaining compatibility with older designs. You'll see the improvements across all key areas, whether you're working in the layer panel, layer stack manager, or CAM processor, with predefined stackups available for up to 32 signal layers. Altogether, this expanded layer support gives electronic designers the flexibility and confidence to take on more complex projects without compromising clarity or compatibility. We're excited to introduce Parametric Text. Now you're able to create and use text parameters directly in sketches, features, and configurations. In the parameters dialog, you can define a new parameter with the text unit type, then reference it anywhere in your design. From engraving labels to building configuration tables, you can wrap plain text in single quotes, string multiple parameters together with a plus sign, and even build expressions that evaluate to text. This makes it simple to drive markings, notes, and identifiers automatically, ensuring your text updates in sync with the rest of your model. It's now possible to add new sizes to existing fastener standards in Fusion, giving you the flexibility to create and share non-standard fasteners with your entire organization. You can now define new diameters and lengths, with additional dimension properties automatically calculated, but still adjustable as needed. Depending on the standard and style, you can edit a wide range of attributes, including size, designation, length, head height, and thread length, ensuring your hardware matches real-world requirements. These custom fasteners are stored in your hub, where members and administrators with right access can use the micro editor to manage and maintain them for consistent collaboration across projects. New in the September release is the Turning Trace toolpath. This is an extremely versatile toolpath that allows maximum control over how you wish to machine. Furthermore, this toolpath can be implemented in areas that weren't possible to program in the past. Features such as angled grooves, undercut areas, or all those other challenges are mostly now a thing of the past once you start leveraging this new versatile toolpath. This toolpath will follow the sketch profile, accounting for tool shape as well as supporting all the cutter compensation models. We support outer diameter, inner diameter, as well as face profiling. All turning tools are supported, as well as multiple step over and spring pass. Consider it the toolpath of last resort. One last note, the toolpath is not model aware. It will follow the profile exactly. Gouge and collision checking does not occur, so use with care. Simply put, I would argue that this is one of the greatest enhancements to Fusion, and definitely in CAM in general in a very long time. For years, all CAM software has suffered from one large pain point, and that is calculation of simulation. Folks would spend hours just calculating their toolpaths, only to have to repeat the time cost when they need to simulate the toolpaths. With the introduction of GPU simulation, that process is reduced to mere seconds. You no longer need to tie up Fusion for hours at a time just to verify that your toolpath is collision-free and you've machined everything you need or want. In this September release, we're moving GPU Sim to public release. This is going to be available to all users. However, there are a couple items to note. 1. We currently only support stock simulation. Machine simulation is not yet supported, although it is currently being worked on aggressively. And 2. This is for PC only. We are investigating how to implement this to our Mac users at some point in the future. That wraps up the top 5 new features in Fusion this September. From expanded electronic capabilities and smarter design tools, to breakthroughs in manufacturing strategies and GPU accelerated simulation, these updates push what's possible in your workflows. Plus, you'll be starting to see some new amazing data enhancement improvements. And trust me, collaboration across big teams has never been easier. Be sure to check out the full release notes and blog for even more details. And as always, thanks for designing and making with Fusion.